Hello everyone. Yesterday, OpenAI came out with an amazing launch, AgentKit. This is a big news for people who are using N8N, MindStudio or Make.com to build no-code, low-code agents. They have automated the whole process, and yesterday evening, this specific tool was launched in the OpenAI Dev Day that is there. If you can see my screen, it is a new tool for building, deploying, and optimizing agents. They have written a lot of things here. You can check it out. You can play around with this. This is available in platform.openai.com. It is going to get rolled out slowly for everyone, and here I just tried to play around with it today early morning just to do this release video. So I just went here. If you can see, I can connect to this app called Canva just to add the rate of. You can see the major apps that are connected. So some of these are the default apps that have been recently added: Spotify, Figma, Coursera, Canva, and Booking.com. What I did is I said to create a playlist for workout songs, motivational. So I don't have a Spotify premium. It requested me to connect to Spotify. I have a free account, so it said I cannot create playlist, but they have given me the top playlists for workout here that I can look at, and these are the ways that they have given it. Then what I did is I created for Canva. I did these things, so they have given Canva is still the connections have not been done. If you can see, create this in Canva. So let us see if the Canva plugin is as of now working. So you can see connect to app. So they gave me some ideas of to create a specific application. Then I wanted to directly connect this inside Canva. So it asks us for the chat GPT to connect to your tool. And this is the permission that you're allowing Canva AI connector would act to access to your specific tool, which I am doing. So now authorization is successful. This is a very advanced feature compared to the plugins where you need to manually go to your connector and add those things. Now ChatGPT has made the user experience amazing. It has made it seamless, as you can see of how I went in and I just told about it. If you go to the website, they have given us a lot of options how to use these agent toolkits. You can make your own as well by this, and they're giving us some examples. A lot of new tools are going to get added very soon, but the other ones like Canva, you can connect all these things as well in details. You can use it in ChatGPT, or you can use it in the specific platform.openai.com. Also, something that they have come up with some evaluation frameworks that are there, so you can look at this in details as well, and all the details are there. So this is also a very big and amazing feature, how all of us know the importance of evaluation. So the data sets, the trace grading, automated prompt optimization, and third model support. So these are the three companies that are there which are talking about it. So let us go and see what have they done in Canva. So you can see they have created a few posters that are there in Canva DDS community. So I really like this one. Let me just open this. So it has gone inside, and you can see this option open in Canva. So not only this, like if I want to edit this, it's very tough to do that. So I can just click open in Canva, and then I have something like this. This is going to save me a lot of time and effort in creating posters, because my team spends so much in designing. And if you can see what it has done is it has created something amazing in just couple of prompts. I am going to use this feature extensively, especially Canva, Spotify, and other things that keep